In this video, I will be trying to show you another feature of Extrude. And let me just create an Extrude again. So Extrude is one of the most important option when you are creating any geometry, because you can try to create any form of shape. So let me try to use another shapes. Let me use an ellipse and see how does it look. So this is the major axis, minor axis. Let me extrude it on both the sides. Clear? Now let me show you another option. So in options, we also have another feature called as add taper. So this is nothing but adding taperness to the geometry. You can see there is an inclination angle over here. I can change the angle to be, so by default it is 1 in the starting. I can change it to be 5. 5 is not happening with this geometry. Let me go to 3. Yeah, so 3 is happening with this geometry. You can see that there is an amount of taperness. You can see that the figure is getting tapered in the bottom section. Can you see clearly? Yeah, with this view you can see 2 degrees. This is 1. 0. In the sense there is no taper. This is the front view, right? Back view. You can see more clearly. This is the front 0 degrees tapered, and I'm increasing the taper angle to be 1 degree right now. You can increase 2 degrees. So there is a limit after which you cannot form the figure. And in this particular geometry, the taper limit was 4, I believe, because when you're creating 5, it is not getting created. So 4 is the limit for this case, because the geometry is elliptical in shape. This is the maximum amount of taperness you can give to the figure or the geometry. Let us try to give the taperness to something boxy type. Let me go back. Let me create an extrusion from the top view. Now I have extruded it. Let me extrude to be 500 and press OK. So I have the figure. Let me edit it and go to the options command, add taper. So you can see the angle over here. This is 20 degrees right now. If you want, you can just vary the angle either inside or backside, outside. So this is adding material and this is removing material. So extrude command is useful for adding or removing materials. And you can see the taperness it is getting, which is created on all the sides, on all the surfaces. So depending on the geometry what we are working, if there is an involvement of taperness, obviously that will be listed in the given geometry for us. That amount of taperness we have to add it. So this is another feature in Extrude. You can just try to practice and see different cross sections. You can try to extrude and you can see the taperness. This is a kind of pyramid. So this is the way you have to, but this is upside down. So this is the way another option is used, and this is called as tapered option. So you can just try to practice, and let us go to the next video.